for you business, and then we'll set that on the calendar because that's like a 2-hour appointment typically. So is there anybody that wants information about the 7 p.m. or the 3 p.m.?
7 p.m.
So what information are you looking for?
How long is it?
It's going to be about an hour and a half, and then hopefully if you're picked as a leader, you'll be staying another half hour.
And it's entailing deciphering who would be a leader.
It is the best 21st century business with what I know now, how to make the most money and the most secure, reliable income for what's coming. So the way I used to preach about Facebook, now I'm preaching about the new economy, what's coming, and how to build a stable income for yourself very easily through influence. So I have a system, I have all kinds of stuff to show you there. And it will be presented by my mentor who's made 14 million as an influencer and turned that into, I think, 30 or 40 million.
Well, do we just need to show up?
You just need to show up.